Let's play some Christmas music. Today I'll be cooking a special Christmas shashlik with this little helper. This is our kitten, cat for Emily as a birthday gift, and she's so excited and happy, and we are as well to have a new member in our family. Don't bite me. Hey guys, so today it's gonna be like a very fast express method of marinating the shashlik, because time is money, right? Tomorrow is Christmas, we don't have much time to go around, so everything just very fast. Cut a piece. This is the shoulder. There we go. Now repeat, salt, pepper, and sumac, and good to go. Like, it's gonna take you 3 minutes to prepare the marinating of this shashlik or shish kebab. Very good meat. My wife bought this in Costco. Here we go. So this is like a first layer, and quickly, just quickly, pepper, salt, sea salt. Okay, repeat. Another one. End of December, but still like +7 outside, so we're gonna be cooking tomorrow. And one more dish I'll be cooking as well. I just decided to add one more piece of pork rib. I'm gonna put this to the shashlik marinade as well. You know, shashlik on the with bones, it's always have a even better taste than just the regular meat without the bones. A little bit of my favorite season, which is sumac. It's almost done. That's it. Some people don't like adding vinegar. Personally, my recipe, I like to put a little bit of vinegar and sparkling water. It makes meat much softer and tender. Vinegar, I think 4 should be good, and just the sparkling water. Like around noontime, it's gonna be ready. The salt and pepper on your own preferences and taste. Keep watching. Merry Christmas. This fry pan, or people call wok, everything is ready, good to go. I have firewood. I have this cleaned already. We're just going to go to the backyard. Look at this weather. It's like plus 10 Celsius today. Christmas Eve, December 24. Let's go and cook some food. So meanwhile I'm setting up everything for today's cooking, and look who we got here. I got a company. Yeah, check this out. So that plywood for protecting the deck, and here for the siding, and I don't know, I'm gonna do the shashlik over here today. Hello. So it's time to put the shashlik on our fire. So I'm be dealing with two dishes at the same time. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. So for the ingredients: potato, sweet pepper, onion, garlic, salt, pepper, dill and parsley. That's it. Do you think it's ready?
I think so.
This is our dessert, which is pineapple with cinnamon. That's so delicious, guys. You should try it. I'll show you. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Another day, and we still have shashlik, and adding one more dish for today. Today is actual Christmas, 25th. Yesterday was 24th, the eve of the Christmas. So check this out. So I'm cooking fish soup. Ooh la la! So fish soup is coming. One more load of shashlik, and pineapple or ananas, whatever you guys like to call it. Let me quickly tell you what's in here. So we have potato, carrots, shrimps, salmon, and greens like onion and parsley and stuff like that, and salt and pepper. That's it. And fish soup, outdoor fish soup, is almost ready. Okay, and two more ingredients are left, which is whipped cream and the secret ingredient. Let me show you that. So we are adding like not much, half of this, about 200 grams, And now the final ingredient, very secret one. Look at this. This one. So you go like that. Here we go. Oh la la. It is now.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, Merry Christmas. This is fish soup, уха.
Потому что на автомате, да?
Fish soup, уха.
With cream.
Fish cream. And shrimps and salmon. Okay, Merry Christmas and bon appetit to everyone.